Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Services and Aspiration. So as you all know, today is 15th August, means our Independence Day. So firstly, happy independence to all, and let's start with the history of the day. So means today on 15 August, three gallantry awards, Paramveer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra and Veer Chakra were instituted in the country after independence. These were instituted on 26th January 1950, which were considered effective from the present day in 1947. Later, there was a talk of Ashok Chakra and other gallantry awards after this. So let's start with the current affairs now. So first question is, recently Harmal chili has got GI tag. GI stand for Geographical Indication from which Indian state? हाल ही में हरमल मिर्च को किस भारतीय राज्य से GI टैग मिला है? And the answer is from Goa. So let me tell you that Goa's traditional festival set dish Khej, a spicy Hermal peppers and Mandoli bananas have received geographical indication tag from Geographical Indication Registry. Now moving toward the second question. So which country has agreed to cooperate with Russia in the production and marketing of Sputnik 5, the world first registered coronavirus vaccine? किस देश ने दुनिया के पहले पंजीकृत कोरोना वायरस वैक्सीन स्पुतनिक 5 के उत्पाद और विपणन में रूस के साथ सहयोग करने की सहमति व्यक्त की है? एंड द आंसर इज ब्राजील. And the agreement reached with the Brazilian state of Paraná as part of the signed Strategic Cooperation Agreement. RDIF is conducting the production of Sputnik 5 vaccine in association with the pharmaceutical companies in the state of Paraná and its distribution in Brazil and other Latin American countries. Now the third question is, which nuclear security operation did China succeed? चीन ने कौन सा परमाणु सुरक्षा अभियान सफल किया है? एंड द आंसर इज Hurricane 2020. So on 13 August 2020, the Chinese National Atomic Energy Organization successfully conducted Hurricane 2020 nuclear safety exercise at the Chang'an nuclear power plant of Hainan province. Now the fourth question is, the Ministry of Ayush has launched an awareness campaign to increase disease resistance. So what is the name of that campaign? आयुष मंत्रालय ने रोग प्रतिरोधक क्षमता बढ़ाने के लिए जागरूकता अभियान की दृढ़ता की है. उस अभियान का नाम क्या है? And the answer is Ayush to increase disease resistance is the name, and it is released through webinars. Now let's see the last and the fifth question. So who became the brand ambassador of Sunfeast India Run as One? कौन सा Sunfeast India Run as One के ब्रांड एम्बेसडर के रूप में चुने गए हैं? And the answer is Eliud Kipchoge. So let me tell you, this is the event on the largest citizen-centric campaign of ProCam International. This campaign will involve Indians living in 28 states and 8 union territories around the world. Community, social impact and wellness are the basic mantras of this campaign, and it will last for the 30 days and will start from the 15 August 2020, means from today. Now let me tell you the answers of yesterday questions which I have asked from you. So the first question was, which country has announced that migrants 60 years or older cannot live in a country without a university degree? So the answer is Israel has declared this. And the second question which I have asked was, which country has successfully tested the advanced missile Arrow 2 defense system? And the answer is Kuwait has successfully tested this defense system. Now let me give you the questions for today which you have to answer in the comment section. So the first question is, under which ministry does Petroleum and Explosives Safety Organization comes? And the second question is, what is the habitat model of efficiency and comfort? So guys, these are the two questions for you. If you know the answers, please do tell in the comment section. Otherwise, in the next video I am going to tell the answers of these two questions. Till then, thank you for watching our video, and if you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't miss to hit the bell icon besides the subscribe.